Welcome back to Piki's channel. It's great to see you again. When more and more cars hit the roads, the regulation on the carbon emission is more and more strict in order to lower the pollution in the air. Today, we are going to Wenzhou Picture, factory of secondary air pump, to discover the story behind the emission reduction expert. Let's go! Here is the first step of the process: raw material. They are properly stored on pallets. In that way, we can maintain its stability. Do you know how these tiny particles become this kind of housing in a minute? Well, first of all, the raw material will be aspired and sent directly into the molding machine. And then be heated by machine up to 270 degrees to melt, to process, and to be shaped. Look, this is the core component, the motor. There are a total of 11 parts inside, all of which are produced by us. The purpose is to ensure the stability and the quality of the product. We only use high-quality copper wires, which can not only enhance the heat resistance of the motor, suit to a higher power, but also make its service life longer. Not only that, to make our products stand out in the market, we inspect the quality of finished products in a very strict way. We conduct quality inspections more than one time for the same inspection process, including quality tests, traffic detection, and balance tests. We firmly believe that details determine success or failures. That's why our products are comparable to the original one. If you want to order our products, you're welcome to comment below or send us an email. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.